Okay, guys, we are back at it with the most active stocks on the market. Everybody's favorite stocks for the day, and these things are high volume. Yes, these things are highly volatile. Some of these things are already selling back off, but we see the whole list looking bullish, and that is because the overall markets are coming in for more bullishness. You got about 4,000 advancers, that's 3,800 to be exact. You got about 2,000 decliners trying to push out of the markets. Everybody betting against the markets right now is foolish. I decided not to go for any options today, making sure I could guide all of you new traders that have been joining in on all of our quick hot day trades and such forth. And if you were catching in alerts that I've been putting out, if you see my video yesterday, I've been making videos not only just yesterday, but as we've been covering the EVTOLs and the ACHRs. Back when, if you noticed, many people in the Discord did when I put out an alert saying HOVR at that 25 cents or lower. Going for a short squeeze, never sell. They got flying taxis, man. It's the newest, the best out of all of them. The newest upcoming. You would be up hundreds of percents. HOVR exploded from that alert. Same as ACHR. Both of these up. If you were on my first alerts, both of these up over 200% from the very beginning. I tell you, it's 1,000 times easier if you are asking the Discord, seeing we are telling you when to buy and when to sell these things on time. For OPTT, for example, putting out alerts for OPTT just a day or so ago. You got OPTT now pushing up about 60%. It's easy. You just follow with the flow. Insiders, man, look, you want to be go for Billy stock. Don't bet against Billy. I'm going to show you more about this stock here towards the end of the video, and y'all gonna know exactly what I mean. I'm gonna make another one on there telling you what's about to happen. I know most people just still not gonna go for it. We don't trust this guy, and you're gonna be missing out on everything that is going on. And I encourage everybody to check out the rap sheet so you can see what type of games you have been missing out on. Nothing to hide. And you won't even make it to the top of my section because I've been putting out the same alerts in my section for years. Nothing has ever changed. Same setup, same strategy every single trade. So, and I only be so adamant about these things now because you guys see how my demeanor towards the markets and stuff like that has been becoming more strong and stuff. Because I've been doing this for a long time and there's still so many people that just don't be understanding how to make these moves, how to follow along, and how to read these charts and whatnot. And then there's still so many people that struggle every single day to know what's next or so on and so forth, and every single day everybody in the Banking with Billy Discord is just literally just doing it. Everybody, you don't need to see people here asking no questions. They know what's going on, they know what's next. They're gonna sit back and wait for me to put that alert out in one of my sections. If they feeling fancy, they're gonna wait for one of my coaches to go ahead and put an alert out in one of their sections, whatever they going for. When they ready to go all pro, when they really all serious, the premium traders, you don't see the premium traders in here asking anything in their section because they know what's next. I show you the premium sections and alerts in these videos, and I've been telling you in the last ones where I was saying specifically, you're about to be getting the markets to push up to that 7,000 points. Markets are about to get extremely bullish. They not about to stop. Letting you know every video, they thirsty. They trying to get Bitcoin over 100,000. They got markets going over 600,000, 6,000. They wanna hold the S&P 500s over this 6,000. I'm telling you every single day exactly what's about to happen. I've been on Twitter. I've been on Twitter lately, trying to help more people out. I know some people don't believe in Discords and whatnot. A lot of people like to use Twitter. I've been at Twitter, letting everybody know what's going on. There's no reason why. And then I even take it upon myself to be 24/7 in the Banking with Billy classroom. Yes, where you can join my insider team where we are doing our 24/7 live trades. Again, this is for you people who want to make sure that no matter what, with no excuses at all, nothing in the way, ain't no coach put out an alert and you got disappearing on, you ain't know when to buy, when to sell. You are literally sitting here in the classroom with me for $44.95 per month, the best deal that anybody ever finna give you in your life. You have your own personal stock and crypto analyst and financial influencer that's well proven over day after day, time after time, year after year, proven to bring straight consistency on these alerts. You sit in my classroom with me, ready for that alert to go out, and you will be the first one to know everything all the time. Now you never have no excuse. Now that I'm doing this for you guys, offers you guys, no matter who you are or what you got going on, You ain't got no excuse to why you couldn't become a full-time trader. Because I'm in here literally 24/7 for this, for you. PRZO, let's get into it though. Coming in for a hot bull run from 56 cents up to about that $1.74. They go in for a hot discount. Okay, PRZO, PRZO, I'm pretty sure this is one of those drone things. I was looking at this earlier on. What's this? Aerospace company focused on drone safety and whatnot. And just if there's a drone stock out here, it's about to be making those moves. These drone things, they're not for play. You know how a lot of people got their drones to be flying around, taking camera, taking pictures and stuff with. These drones are for war. They don't got these drones just to they're not buying up a bajillion million drones just for show. They about to use these things to take out other countries. They're investing a lot into these. All of them. There's a lot of other ones. Like there's like check this out. There's like let me see. Where does this go? Go back to there. There's every single one of these I'm gonna show you right now is getting ready to make moves. So you got UAVS. You got UAV. I think Coach Crawford is in there talking about this one right now. He is actually this thing. Look at this. This is making a move today. I didn't catch this one. This is another one that Coach Crawford was up here. Where is that? Coach Crawford was up here throwing out, yeah, UAVS. He been on it all day on UAV. Y'all know how Coach Crawford go. He always doing this. But pushing up to $9, very good. There's another one. Check this now. There's DRPO or DPRO, is it? Look at this. About 33%. They're all doing this. This is the time. These are for war. Because they finna go tear some stuff up. But watch out for these war stocks. Let's go look at PRZO along in the bankability score. Like I say, if it's a stock exploding, and that stock making that move, it's it's getting alerted in the Discord. Not just most recently, just for the easy move, for the early seat, so you can be on time for those things, and that's what it's all about. Because this is just now starting now, and this is bouncing from the 52-week lows. I can show you the other ones real quick while we're here. Why not? Since this video already turned into a much more educational and informational video than I thought it actually would. But Dragonfly, look at this. Dragonfly, earlier volume triggers no less. This one, Dragonfly, is still under the radar right now. DPRO. It's still under the radar right now. Low stats. We're gonna watch this thing come in for this one probably come in for the best move. This will probably end up going up to about $10. Yes, look at this. Even well beyond $10. All of these, all of these. What was that other one? It was just another one. Oh yeah, UAVS. Look at this one. Like this is the bottom of these, bro. They not, and watch this. Like I said, I don't say this stuff for nothing. UAVS. I wasn't just earlier on just today's alerts. UAVS been going out. I've been making videos on this and everything. In fact, I put out alerts for UAVS at $4 or lower. What was this at back then? This is back in the beginning. Like I say, like this, if it's a stock, and this thing was going parabolic. If there's a stock that's exploding, look at this. Coach Tidwell was in his section talking about UAVS at $1 or lower. What was that at? That was at the very beginning. What date was that? What day was that? Was on the 13th. Back on the 13th. If it's a stock exploding, it's getting alerted in the Discord. And again, I keep on telling y'all, there is no reason, you ain't got no excuse to why you couldn't become a full-time trader. Because I'm literally sitting here watching dozens of random people come in here every single day and just become full-time traders. They becoming coaches and everything. It don't make no reason. It ain't no excuse why you can't. Next, you got I don't got to go any deeper in that because you already missed out on that because you're not in there following along and doing what you got to do. Next, you got AIEV. Look at this one, AIEV. A quick spike on this one. Thunder Power. What is this? Thunder Power. They are a developer of premium passenger EVs. Okay, the electric vehicles. So as you know, electric vehicles and EVs and whatnot, they are the future and so on and so forth. Speaking of the future, it's just one thing I like to be able to show you guys. I'm gonna be showing you all this very often, just so I can build awareness to this. This is Shiba Inu's Crypto City. They are in talks with Elon Musk and the president and them about making this into the in the Silicon Valley. I think that's in Arizona or something like that. And what they're gonna be doing is creating Shiba Inu City, the first official Discord City. If y'all ever seen the show Future, the cartoon Futurama back when on Adult Swim and whatnot, the picture of the future. If y'all ever play any video games or seen any sci-fi movies, you know what it's going to be looking like. But it's one thing, if you already been looking at this and you already seen it, you know what I'm going to point out. But if you looking at this is probably one thing you spot and notice out of all of this. I'm not just pointing out the Shiba Inu City. I'm pointing out that the only thing in here they got is a one flying taxi. And I'm finna show y'all. I'm finna show y'all what flying taxi that is. Check this out. Check this out. I'm finna show y'all both of them. I'm finna show you like all three of them. Watch this. Um, okay, HOVR. I'm gonna show y'all ACHR. Because of course we all overall. I just showed y'all the alerts for these. I ain't gotta go no further than that. You know what I mean? JOBY. Watch this. I can show y'all every single one of their planes real quick. And remember this picture. Remember this picture. You know, they put little Easter eggs. This is what the what's this called? The Jobies looks like. That's what the Jobies looks like. That ain't looking nothing like that, okay? Watch this, watch this. Where's this next one? You know, I notice all of this stuff because I'm actually doing this 24/7. I'm doing what I'm supposed to be doing. Y'all not in here doing what y'all supposed to do. This is not that plane that we just saw over here. It's not at all. It's undeniable. It's not. Okay? And watch this. You got a HOVR, the Horizon aircraft. I don't say this stuff now. I put y'all on game, bro. I'll put y'all on game. But if I ain't earned y'all subscribe for putting y'all on game how I have through these years, especially most recently and whatnot, you know, and this is the what's it called? The Horizon aircraft, whatever. This is that. Let's go back here. I just showed y'all the other ones. Tell me that ain't that. If any of the three is that right there, this is that for sure. You know, like I say, I don't say this stuff. I don't say this stuff for nothing, bro. Look at the spin. Look at the Tell me that ain't that. And EV and HOVR is the cheapest one down here. This is the one that they are all about to super rally on. Like ACHR and Joby, yeah, they good, they great, they gonna be good. You know, they cool. But HOVR is the next super move. ACHR is going into Shiba Inu Crypto City. Because in Shiba Inu Crypto City, they're not gonna be trying to go for the most expensive out there. They're going, you know, they want to save as much money as they can. They're gonna go for ACHR, which they're saying is the best, fastest. Oh, they say it's taking the longest because they're trying to do it better. This is that. Tell me that this right there isn't that. You know? And that's great. But let's continue on what we was talking about. You know, I make videos on Shiba Inu too. I gotta for those of you who don't be knowing, y'all know I do it all. I do it all. If it's a thing to be done, I do it all. Whether it's a penny stock, a regular stock, options of crypto, a chart, a technical analysis, fundamental, you need a lesson. I'm doing it all, as well as updating cryptocurrencies. Y'all know, just let me know what y'all need. I got y'all. And I ain't one of those type of guys. You need help. You broke. You broke. You know what I mean? You just let me know. I ain't got no problem with letting you slide into the Discord to get some. Get yourself some hot plays in. So you can go ahead and get rich real quick. Because I already know if I get you right, then you're gonna be willing to get me right and all that stuff like that. All that stuff. But you know, again, everything I just showed you. In fact, I didn't show you JOBY. That's why we here. I'm about to do that. And, apologies this video taking a little bit longer. I know some of you don't like a long video. If you don't want to find out any information and know what's about to happen next, you really not about that money. Just go ahead and move around. Leave the video now, okay? But Joby Aviation, bro, I don't say this stuff for nothing. This stuff is getting alerted out in those sections early on from the very beginning by multiple coaches in all of these sections. And you telling me that out of every single stock that I just showed you on this entire, and we didn't even get down into the rest of the stocks on our current list. You telling me out of all these other stocks that I already done showed you right now, you telling me you didn't catch any of those? Make it make sense. We got AIEV coming in for that bull run. Say this stuff for nothing. Let's see who was going for AIEV. I ain't catch this one. I ain't going for AIEV, but it's getting right here. You could have caught that parabolic easy. you know, if you're not winning and you're not finding success and stuff like that, bro, you really, you just not taking it serious. You just not. I just like that you really just really not taking it serious. If you taking losses and stuff like that. I mean, don't get me wrong, there's losses in between. But if you're not creating your natural consistency, let's say, and finding peace, happiness, and comfortability in these markets, doing what you got to do, you know, you not doing what you're supposed to do. Because I'm watching dozens of people join in and just do it. RGTI, RGTI. I do not say it for nothing, bro. I do not, bro. I show you dates and everything. I show you dates and everything back from 9, 10, and all the spikes in between. I can't make it up. I don't go into the Discord and place these things there strategically so I can show you guys in the video. Look at dates. No, bro, I don't plan a video before I turn it on. And I'm finna say this exactly all. I'm finna make sure that every single word I done. I'm not like those other guys y'all over there watching, calling them the best, because they don't even know what they doing. That's why they go out to do all the edits and cut out all the mistakes and all that stuff like that. Because they don't know what they doing. That's why they don't. That's why they don't and never have offered you to sit there with a live 24/7 live trading class, so you can and for verification and proof. This is why every time I get a video, you steady seeing people staying in this classroom because they know that they not trying to miss this easy money. They full times. They do this. And you telling me that every single day for the last 4 or 5 years, you just weren't able to catch these? And I'm showing you alerts on every single one of these. Now, don't even get me started on NVDA. Y'all don't even get me started on NVDA. Don't even just man, it don't make no sense. Yeah, NVDA, watch this. Watch this. Oh, I can even look up other stuff. Watch this. INTCs. I'm making these videos on all of these. All that. I was putting the INTCs and the NVDAs and all that stuff even together. Y'all remember I've been telling y'all huge reversals, big predictions, kind of this stuff not loading. Huge reversals. Specifically, what's this date? On 8/4, on 8/4, NVDA. And if any of you wondering why he going to the Moo to show it now, because the Moo gonna show you greater in depth. On 8/4, bro. What's these dates? Look at this date here. I can't make this stuff up. On 8/5, when this thing was down at $90. Go to your daily chart. At the very bottom, it did nothing but uptrend from $90. Watch this. From the very top. It's a 34% uptrend, 35 in NVIDIA. In NVIDIA. And I'm in here yelling in videos every single day. Huge reversal incoming, specifically on those exact dates. Hold on. Hold on. That's not an NVDA. With massive multiple alerts going out. So telling you literally what's about to happen. And you telling me that you couldn't catch not one round in NVDA when this been coming out with every single update, every single bro, it's 120 pages in the video down here. And you telling me you couldn't catch not one of these every single stock that I showed you when everything is bullish. It's not for you. It's not for you. I'm just being just period. It's I'm just being real with you. Now I don't be mean to nobody, but it's not for you. You're not able to understand the lessons. You're not willing to make the sacrifice to be able to come put in to be parts of these live 24/7 trainings where I'm in here literally doing this with you live with no excuses, holding your hand for 24 hours a day. If you're not in Bankable Discord because you playing games with yourself. It's just not for you. Some of you guys just might because there is no way in the world, and y'all know me. I can go down every single stock on this entire list. I can go down every single stock on this entire list from the 5 minutes to the 1 day to the 5 day to the 1 month to the 3 month to the 52 weeks. And you telling me that you couldn't catch any of these stocks at all, and I got alerts at the early season videos on all of these every single day, and I'm giving you these 24 live non-stop in a classroom where you see people are in here non-stop, even in video telling you need to be in here to do this non-stop. I ain't gonna lie, it's not for everybody. And I'm not gonna lie, some people don't take their destiny serious. You know, if you want to take your thing serious and you want to actually succeed in this and stop wondering what's next, then you need to join on the Bankability Discord, activate your free trial like everybody else, get that little 15. You want to get rich, then put in that little $10. What be wrong with y'all? You say you need extra help? Drop that $44 and join in on my private VIP insider personal master classroom where you'll be able to actually do this. No excuses. No, you couldn't see it in time. No, you didn't see a text alert in time. Oh, no, you ain't make it to the Twitter in time. Ain't no, oh, somebody put it out and you ain't know you should sell it not in time. For $44, for $40 a month, there's no excuses. I don't know what be wrong with y'all. Y'all playing games, but I'm Billy Banks. I see some of y'all in here in. Happy trade.